Building a private chef business does not require filling out specific checklists or following strict formula. Every chef has their own unique style. The key is understanding what you have to offer and how to make your offerings attractive. Hi Chef, my name is Diana, and today we will dive into part 1 of your self-assessment, where we will reflect on how you started in the industry, your education, and professional experience. And in the next video, we'll cover part 2, where we'll focus on your resources, so remember to check it out. Reflecting on your strengths and weaknesses will be the first step to get insight into who you are as a chef and where you can best position yourself in the market. Plus, it would also be extremely useful when crafting a captivating sales page, website, and any other marketing materials. Let's begin by taking a look at the start of your career. If you're watching this video, it is likely because you're seeking new challenges and inspiration. So it is important to start by thinking about why you became a chef in the first place and how those initial motivations evolved over time. Think back on what brought you into cooking. What were your expectations back there? This reflection can help you connect with the reasons behind your new project, incorporate them into your brand, and share them with your customers in each one of your experiences. A helpful way to keep your motivations fresh is to think about your proudest moments as a chef. Culinary awards you've earned, positive feedback you've received from food critics, culinary competitions you've participated in, or even dishes that you've created that made you feel incredibly proud. Revisiting these achievements will help you not only reconnect with why you started your journey as a chef, but also find the inspiration to keep moving forward. Now, let's talk about education. If you had a formal education, let's start with making a list of the schools you attended, what you studied in there, and any certificates you earned. But if you are a self-taught chef, list the key resources and experiences that have shaped you as a chef. For instance, your first hands-on experience, any entry levels you took, and the mentors you had along the way. And while formal training is important, don't forget to add info like any training in particular cuisines, sommelier certifications, any associations or organizations you've been part of, and even the languages you speak. Sharing details about your education will add significant value when introducing yourself, so make sure to highlight the most relevant ones. Working in a professional kitchen, whether it's a restaurant, a hotel, or you name it, is the kind of experience you won't find anywhere else. Those long hours and busy shifts really help shape amazing chefs. I'm sure these learning experiences have influenced your perspective on food and cooking, shaping your unique approach and identity. So let's make sure to add this to your profile too. List all the places you've worked on, the roles you've had in each of them, who were your mentors there, and the cuisines and cooking styles you mastered during those experiences. Listing the cuisines you feel the most comfortable with and being honest about the ones you still need to work on will come in handy when deciding what you want to include in your menus. Plus, it will help you focus on the cuisines you excel at and enjoy the most without compromising your service quality. And last but not least, remember to include all of your other experiences outside of the kitchen. If you've had experiences that helped you develop additional skills such as leading a team and managing a business or improving your interpersonal skills, be sure to include them as well. Every bit of experience is valuable. Your professional experience not only highlights your skills and expertise, but also serves as a powerful selling point for your business. This is your time and place to show off. And that's the end of our 4th session. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. And make sure to check out our next video, that is part number 2 of our self-assessment, and in which we will go over the resources you have to launch your business. I'll see you next time. And make sure to follow our social media channels to join our amazing community. where you will be able to connect with your fellow chefs and discover their inspiring stories. You'll find all the links in the description.